Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Ahmad Dina Iman bin Muhammad Aslan. Today I'm gonna explain about the hardware from the system, how the project is made, and what the item that we use. As you can see, we got in the box Arduino Uno and the breadboard. Next is two servo motor for the gate. There is servo 1 and servo 2. Red LED, LCD 16 times 2, infrared movement and temperature infrared. For this attempt, LCD will display not detect and a value of temperature because there is no object or anyone nearest the sensor, but the temperature infrared sensor still detect the temperature. When there is someone near the sensor, will detect and check the temperature of the body. For the output, the door will open when the body is between 33 and 37 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, the door will not open.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Reza Rosli, and today I'm going to present about Proteus or the circuit diagram that I'm using Proteus. Okay, from now I will start running the Proteus. Okay, the process here, when the sensor detect the motion, then the temperature here actually in the project we are using the infrared sensor, but the Proteus doesn't have the Proteus what we call the doesn't have the libraries for the sensor that we are using in our uh, hardware. So now when I put the 30 degrees Celsius, the LCD indicate that no detected. That means it's below than the degree Celsius that should be lah kan. And then when I close the motion sensor and I increase the value of temperature, so now I will trigger again the motion sensor, but this time we put at the range of temperature that should be. It is not less than 32 degrees and not over than 38 degrees Celsius. So when the temperature is in range, the motor now is moving 90 degree. That's it. And then turn off the temperature, and then increase the value of the value of temperature that actually above than 38 degree. So now we trigger back the motion sensor. It's kind of that when the object is moving, the sensor here, the motion sensor trigger the detect the motion. So the it should be motor should be closed and not moving, and LED should be blinking. But now it is a bit delay, I guess, but we can wait. Yeah, we can wait until the value of the value of temperature here is out from is appeared from the LCD. So now I think the motor is already moved, but LCD still not. But we have to wait. Yeah, that's it. When the LCD is appeared the value of 41 and it say keep out. It means you cannot enter. Then the LED here will turn on. It's at it is a indicator of the warning about you cannot enter the room or building, I guess, and the motor is moving. It's mean close. It is close. So that's all from me. Muhammad Reza Barosdi, EC 19063. Thank you.
Next, I'm gonna explain about the coding. First of all, there is four include library, which is liquid crystal I2C, servo, wire, and Adafruit MLX 90614. So there is liquid crystal underscore I2C that we have declared the name for the LCD, and there is the code for the LCD, which is 0 times 27, 16 and 2. For the servo, we declare my servo 1 and the next one in my servo 2. We also define the red LED at pin number 13, the infrared movement sensor at pin number 4, and then we go to void setup. For void setup, we declare the red LED as a output. Next, the movement sensor as the input. My servo 1 at pin number 7, my servo 2 at pin number 8, and then what is the 90 here? As you can see, 90 is for the door angle movement from open to close. Next, we declare motion from the movement sensor. When the movement sensor detects something, which is the binary, we got 1, which means there is someone or something. We got the object, the display LCD will display object temperature. For the next is the process. temperature object we got from the infrared temperature sensor, which is the MLX 90614. Serial print is for LCD print, which means we display the temperature object to the LCD. If the temperature is less than 32, the LCD print will display not detect. When the temperature is more than 32 and less than 38, the LCD will display temperature OK, and the gate or the servo will open 90 degree and then will close back 90 degree. If when the temperature is above 37, the LCD will display keep out and the gate will not do any movement. By end, the red LED will light up. Thank you.